Welcome to Toursoft. My name's Ben, and today I'm going to show you all of the general features of the Toursoft platform. First is the dashboard. You can find this by clicking Home. Here, you can create a new inquiry. If you get a new email from a client, and you can fill it out here. You can see the last itinerary you worked on, and then see any new inquiries that you have. You can also see notifications if inquiries were assigned to you. Here, all of your customers will be viewed in alphabetical order. You can see their email, phone number, how many inquiries they have, and their inquiry status. Next is the Inquiries tab. Here you can find your inquiries. I have one here. I can click on it and view all of the information in that inquiry. This is the Itineraries tab. I only have one itinerary template. I can view this or make a new itinerary out of it, or I can go to the On Trove section, which will show me all of the itineraries I have on the Trove platform, which is where we show off our itineraries to potential clients. Next, the Libraries tab. Here, you can add a template for a day, activity, transportation, or accommodation. This will help you build your itineraries a lot more efficiently. You can also view media. Here is our library. We've only uploaded these images. We can also go to Unsplash, which will show us all of the images we have access to on Unsplash. Under the Locations tab, we can find our saved locations. We just have a random one that doesn't actually exist. We can see verification status, date, and verified by date. Next is the Suppliers tab. Here we have an activity. This is the supplier's name. We can view the type of activity, coverage, contact information, and the link to that supplier. You can link this in each of your itineraries. Next is the Stats tab. Here you can find your agency status, the percentage of inquiry types, solo, couple, etc., and your conversion rate. Finally, the Settings tab. First, under General, you can find your account information. You can fill in all of your account and company information. Next, Preferences. Here you can set your default language, currency, percent of commission per itinerary, consumption tax, and conversion margin. Next, under Users, you can find all of the users that are in your agency. I only have 2 here. You can also add new users or resend invites. Under Permissions, you can view all of the permissions each role has. You can also add new roles so that junior members only have access to certain permissions. Under the Trove tab, you can activate your Trove, which is our central repository for all of your published itineraries. Here's where you can show off your itineraries to the world. Under API, you can generate a Toursoft API token. We'll give you a token ID, and you'll have to fill in your IP address. We also display the web API documentation. Under Billing, you can see your transactions history, as well as your active plan. I'm on the freemium account. You can also view your plan and change your plan here, as well as update your card information. Here, you can add the API key from Unsplash. Under Legal, you can fill out payment conditions, cancellation conditions, passports and visas, travel insurance, etc. These will all automatically populate into your itinerary in your chosen language. Thanks for listening. I hope this helps you use Toursoft to the greatest potential.